Meandering up the side of a mountain right now. And the cutback trail. Look at that little stack of rocks that somebody did at some point in time. It's a cutback trail. So I'm zigzagging north and then a hairpin south. Look at this, people. There's the heart board of an old piano right there. Yeah. It's actually got a manufacturer name on it here. Hold on a minute. Let me see if I can get down here. Hardman LaGrasse, patented, New York. Wow, wow. How crazy is that? To find an old piano board. It's cast iron, so sorry, I'm not carrying it home. What I need are some pocket and bag size artifacts. I did the first day I was up here under the foundation of my friend's house that he just bought. It's actually a cabin. I found an old Rheingold beer can, probably mid to late 1940s. It was a narrow, tall, rolled steel, seamed rolled steel can. It's really rusty though, but you gotta figure it's been laying up under this house in the element for scores. We'll be on using decades as a counting marker for that. Where I'm at now, it's nothing but hills and valleys. Excuse me, I just sucked the bug in. Ugh. So it's interesting. I'm looking down this ridge right there. It looks like an old creek bed. So I'm kind of over running back up the ridges again. See if I can't find a way down, and hopefully I'll find an easy way up. Going down is always easy. That's a given. And I'm very cautious to make sure I don't go like reaching out, stepping on some kind of snake. See what we got down here. It's definitely in a dried creek bed. Presuming it's probably still dry. So it's my understanding, I was talking to a local that where my friend's property is, there's a lake. And at some point a few years ago, the city had come in and channeled or piped into he said the creek that fed the lake to divert it. They diverted the waterway to a spot where the city had a swimming hole or something. And something had happened with that, and they ended up having to move it a second time, and they had permanently cut the residents of this little community out of running water to their lake on their property. So they were forced to put in a pumping fountain system because it started turning into a swamp. It's hard to know what was in this area, but you can see the hand-stacked rock wall right there that somebody built. So the nice thing about this part of the country is there's beautiful stone to work with. Look, somebody piled this up to make that wall. You don't see this in our part of the country, folks. I'll spin around so you can see this, how they did the stack on that wall right there. Yeah, a fence or wall like that will last thousands of years. Unless, of course, you get an earthquake or something that knocks the rocks down, but then they'll still be in that line. All right, trying to find myself an easy way back up this ridge here. But look, there's a footpath right here. Carefully, and then I'm just gonna do a quick, do I? Not sure if I want to go down this way. I don't want to go back downhill again. I'm trying to get uphill. And that sucker's just going to run me back down out of the hole I just climbed out of. That's interesting. We'll take a look right on this edge, and then I'm going to try to hook up. I noticed some kind of ferns that I didn't see anywhere else. Yikes. Because I don't want to go back down the hill again. Like I said, downhill's easy, folks. You don't even have to walk, you just kind of fall. There's more rocks. Rocks and leaves and broken trees. They said they had a really horrific storm come through here. I don't know how long ago, but it took down some hundreds of years old trees or so. That's why all this stuff is laying on the ground now. A result of the inclement weather they had here. Okay. Trying to get myself back up this hill to the one. Off the one trail. And another ridge. I knew I shouldn't have come down. I'm not going to the other side of that ridge there. Yeah, it's a moments like now reminds me of no spring chicken anymore. Okay. Almost here. Almost there. Okay. I still got another 2 ridges to run. Look, there's a trail right there. But I gotta watch it. This might be the one I just came off of, because it's hooking to the right, I think. No. Okay. I didn't want to get up here and have it hook me to the right. It's up back down in the bottom, like an ice drawing. Round and around the steps you go, and you never get anywhere. Like a reflection trapped between two mirrors. All right. I need to get off this path. Because I need to be over that ridge. Right there. Back to civilization again. Outskirts. Alright, my friends. Thanks for joining me on this little nature hike. Little exploration venture. On a bench. I'm going to sit down and rest my bones and shut off the camera for a bit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.